Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and for today's Canva training, we are actually starting on Pinterest. And what I wanted to show you today was a way to get inspiration and a lot of color scheme ideas if you're just not sure what you want, or maybe you have an idea of a color and that you're looking for other colors that go with it. So I just went to Pinterest and I typed in color schemes. And as you can see, if you flip through the page, all of the amazing colors that come up. So you can find soft hues, you can find blues, you can find sunset, oranges. I mean, you can find absolutely every kind of color scheme that you can imagine. Look at all of the stuff that's available. I mean, there's something that will fit for just everyone. Look at that. Undersea is just amazing what is available. You can also go up here if you know that you want blues and type in color scheme. So it changes it from color schemes to color schemes blue. And then these will have more blue tones to them. I just think this is phenomenal. It's a wonderful, wonderful way to get some inspiration if you just really don't know where to begin. Okay, so let's say that you have decided you want to use this sort of color scheme. So how in the world do you get those real colors? Well, I use a Mac. And so you'll have to figure out on your computer how to do this if you use IBM or something. But I do Shift-Command-4, and then I select this that I want. Okay, so that saves it to my desktop. Then I can go to the color generator palette, which I've shown you before, and I can upload a picture, and I'm going to go to my desktop where I just saved that picture. And I'm going to bring that picture in here. And voila, there are my colors. So if I select the midnight blue, there is the color. So when I go to Canva, I can just put that color in the color spot for my design. And if you don't know where that's at, I think that most of you do. But let's say that we want this one. So we copied this blue color. And so when we go up to Canva and we hit that plus sign, then this is where I would put the blue. Okay, and so then I select it, and then that has turned these dots to the blue color. So that really is my tip for today. I have also found that if you reload this a few times, because if you want that orange, I have found if you reload it a few times that sometimes it just picks 5 colors. So sometimes it'll pick a different color down here. Let's see if I can make it do that. Okay, let's try this. Let's try uploading this, which is just a text document basically. Okay, so then let's try uploading that again, and let's see if we can get it to pick different colors. Give me the orange. Give me the orange. Nope, it's just not going to do that. But you could try that a few times, because I have noticed that it does pick different colors sometimes when you upload it a second time. So that's really my tip for today for getting inspiration for colors when you're using Canva for your lead pages or blog. And I wish you all tremendous success, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.